Wakeland High School welcomes the class of 2024. You are now a Wakeland Wolverine. All in, everyone, every day.
I'm here to give you a virtual tour of Wakeland High School. To my right, we have the library, and to my left, I'll take you into the office. Follow me. Here we are in the front office, where you can find the attendance clerks and the principal's offices this way. To my right is the principal's offices, and if you come with me down this hall, we have many of our amazing administration offices. If we stop right here, here's a shortcut to the counselor's offices, but if you go down the other side of C Hall, that's where the main entrance is. As we come to the end of this hall, here are two of our amazing assistant principal's offices out of 5, and the other 3 will be located on the upstairs C Hall. Funny, where, oh, hi Pablo.
Hey, I'm Pablo. I'll take you upstairs and I'll meet you there. Down here are the world languages like Spanish, ASL, and other languages. And right there is the assistant principal's office.
Hi, so I'm Hayden, and welcome to your main hallway. Right up here we have your math and science classes, and then down these 2 hallways, the D downstairs halls, are your history classes. Let's show you more, this way. Hey Abby.
Hi, I'm Abby. You guys can follow me right down this way. Okay, so down here is the best part of the school. We have the cave, which is just where you can come and get all your snacks. If we keep adventuring down E Hall, we're gonna end up getting to our fine arts classes, which will be your theater, orchestra, band, choir, all of the fun classes. I'll be just right down this hallway. We're gonna take a little turn. This is our F hall. It'll take you down to G hall, which is where you're gonna be able to find our main gym and our auxiliary gym. These doors right down here will be the auxiliary gym, and if you look that way, it'll be our main gym. Alright, next we have our H hall. Down here is just going to be your food science and a lot of your CTE classes. If you walk down this hallway and to the left, you're going to be able to find your locker rooms. Let's go find out more.
Hi, I'm Caroline, and this is the H hallway. On your right, you'll find your broadcast, journalism, and agriculture classrooms. And on the left, you'll find the cafeteria. And when you walk out the back doors, you can walk to the field house.
Welcome to Wakeland!
Hello, class of 2024. Welcome to Wakeland. I am Mrs. Harrod, and I am the lead counselor. And the counseling department is always available for you guys, whether it's virtual or here on campus.
Hi, I'm Miss Chambers. I am new to Wakeland, just like you, so we can be new together. I represent last names E through LA, so I will be your counselor here. Welcome.
Hello Wolverines, I'm Mrs. HOGGATT, one of the counselors here with Alpha A through D. We are excited you're here, and we hope you have a great year.
Hi, Wakeland class of 2024. My name is Mrs. SALDIVAR. I have the alphabet LB through R. Welcome and see you soon.
Hi Wakeland, I'm Miss Jackson and I'm the counselor for kids with last names S through Z. Let me know if I can help you in any way.
Hi Wakeland, I am SHAWNA Chamberlin. I am your new college and career counselor. I just want to say welcome to the class of 2024. I want to let you know that I am going to be on campus and virtual, here to help you with registration for dual credit. If you are interested in researching universities or college and career, anything related to post-high school with regards to going to college or going to another university, I am here to help you and your families, your parents, whoever you live with. So I look forward to working with you this year. Go Wolverines.
Hi there, how are you? Wanted to give you a big welcome to Wakeland High School, class of 2024. My name is Mr. Dave Parker, and I am assistant principal here. I serve all students, but if your last name begins with A through D, I'm your guy. So I'll be helping you with anything you need. I'll be here to help you, support you. We're ready to get off to an exciting, kind of weird, but exciting school year. Welcome Wolverines, look forward to seeing you soon.
Hey, class of 2024, my name's Kenny Durand. I'm an assistant principal here at Wakeland, and I work with students whose last name falls within the alpha from E through LA. We look forward to seeing you at our Kit Kamp and look forward to having a great year with you. Thank you.
Hi Wolverines, I'm Celeste Sully, assistant principal. The students that I serve are letters L through R, and I'm happy that you guys will be here. Welcome to Wakeland.
Hey guys, I'm Sean Westby. I'm one of the assistant principals, and I have the last names S through Z. Can't wait to see you guys on campus, and welcome to Wakeland.
Hi Wolverines, I'm Mrs. Henderson and I'm your associate principal. I am so excited that you'll be joining us this year, whether you're going to be experiencing classes virtually or face-to-face. We just welcome you to our campus. I encourage you to look for places that you can be involved and be an active member of our community. Have a great year.
Hello, class of 2024. I'm Dr. Edge. I'm the principal at Wakeland, and it's a pleasure to welcome you to your freshman year. On August 13th, we're going to start school online. You're going to get a chance to see your teachers, get to know your teachers. I feel sure you're going to enjoy your classes and learn a lot. The coronavirus won't go on forever, so I look forward to the day that we can all meet each other in the hall and you can start your 4-year career at Wakeland.
These are the Chromebook distribution instructions for Kit Kamp 2020. Before you can get your Chromebook, you must have completed the following steps. Guardian provided consent by opting into the One for All initiative during online registration. Students have completed online training over digital citizenship, device care, and responsible use of the device, and paid the required non-refundable annual insurance fee of $20 to cover accidental damage. Pickup times for last names A through M will be from 10 to 11 a.m. Last names N through Z will pick up between 11 and noon. In order to follow social distancing guidelines, please only arrive during your designated pickup time. Upon arrival at Wakeland, please have your student's name and student ID written on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper using a thick marker. Have this visible from the driver window. The Chromebook station will be located near the front entrance. Wakeland staff will verify that all required documentation is complete. The Chromebook will then be placed in the back seat or trunk of the vehicle. Be advised, if you have not completed the required documentation, Wakeland staff will not give you your Chromebook. There will be a freshman makeup day that will be August 10th from 11 to 1 p.m.